All right, here we go. We got 2020 TriStar mini helmet 3-box break number 4 from eBay. We're going to run down this team list real quick, and then we'll rip them open. Mitch with the Cardinals, Bengals, Panthers, Packers. Shane, Browns, Rams. Jeffrey R., Bears, Vikings, Jets. Lance, Cowboys. George, Lions. Aaron, Chiefs. Greg, Dolphins. Joey, Chargers and Jags. Gary, Eagles. Alex, Steelers, Giants. Gross, Skins, Falcons, Colts. Bruce, 49ers. James H., Bills, Titans. Saints, Raiders. Bucks, Broncos. Texans, Ravens. Patriots, Seahawks. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for taking those spots tonight. Good luck. 3 mini helmets coming up. And we have a Mike Allstott. Mike Allstott for the Bucks, our first helmet of the break. Mike Allstott for the Bucks. That one's going to James H. Congratulations, sir. Helmet number 2 goes to the Steelers. Jack Ham. Jack Ham for the Steelers. Alex D. with the Steelers. Congrats, Alex. And third and final helmet. This one goes to the Chiefs. Emmett Thomas with a Hall of Fame 08 inscription. Emmett Thomas for the Chiefs. So there you have it. Mike Allstott, Jack Ham, Emmett Thomas, Bucks, Steelers, Chiefs. Congrats, guys. Thanks again for taking those spots. 3 more helmets tomorrow night. I'll see you then.